some parts of the state had a big outbreak.
Whooping cough is back. The number of Iowa cases is on the rise. Good evening, everyone. It's a disease that can be deadly, especially in newborns.
So take a look. So far this year in Iowa, we've seen 362 cases. That's up from 196 cases a year ago. News Channel 8's Cynthia Fodor is in the newsroom with this story tonight. Cynthia.
Well, Stacey and Kevin, we worry most about babies and young children coming down with whooping cough, but recent outbreaks highlight the need for adults to be vaccinated.
Smile to your mom. Hello.
At her 6-month checkup, Sarah Sinclair is given a shot to help protect her from pertussis, also known as whooping cough. Her mother, Jenny, a teacher, saw a number of cases at school earlier this year.
It spread pretty quick.
Mm-hmm. And were the kids pretty sick from it, do you remember?
Yes, they were out for quite a long time.
Dr. Asha Medea says the illness can last for 6 weeks.
In the second 2 weeks of illness, you hear this whoop, which is basically a stridor. For example, kids will cough, cough, cough. That kind of a noise you hear.
Initial symptoms are similar to a cold with a runny nose, but a week later, a violent cough develops with difficulty breathing, eating, and drinking.
You have a lot of little babies that can get infected who are not fully immunized yet. And it can be deadly. It can be fatal for little kids.
In Iowa, 54% of the cases are between ages 5 and 14. Now it's recommended not only children but adults be vaccinated with DTaP, which is the tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis vaccine. It's estimated half the children are infected by their parents or caregivers, who don't even know they have the illness, since adults usually don't have the whoop noise in their coughs.
So we are hoping that as older kids, like college-age kids and adults are immunized, that they won't be transmitting this to the babies, younger kids, and make it worse.
Right now, I'm told only about 6% of adults are said to be vaccinated for pertussis. Health officials are urging everyone who hasn't had the vaccine in the past 5 years to get the shot. Stacey?
And especially if you're a parent or a caregiver, right?
Absolutely, and also if you work in healthcare.
Hey, Cynthia, thank you.